And switching careers, although it can be very daunting, especially when you're going through this journey alone, you're not alone because Disruptive Doctors is here to help you. Some of you may be asking, like, how do I know if it's time to leave clinical medicine? Well, one thing that helped me was I wasn't happy for a very long time. So if you are unhappy doing what you're doing, you need to ask yourself, is it medicine, practice of medicine alone, or is it the system? So, what would help is for you guys, if you're thinking about switching careers, whether to leave clinical medicine or not, and you're torn between your love for medicine, wanting to do something else, what you could do is write down a piece of paper. On this piece of paper, start listing down one side all the things that you love about your job and all the things that you hate about it. You'll be surprised when you actually put things down on paper, it becomes clearer what it is that you want. Now, if it's the system, change your environment. If you realize that the list is longer about all the things that you hate about the job and it has nothing to do with the system, then it's time for you to actually start planning and thinking about a transition.